Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Taisa. I am from third semester. Today, I would like to explain about present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used for action happening now or action that is unfinished. So, present continuous tense is used for action happening now or action that is unfinished. This tense is also used when the action is temporary. Present continuous tense is formed with the subject plus the present participle form ing or the main verb and the present continuous tense of the verb to be are, am, or is. So, how make sentence in present continuous tense? For positive sentence, the formula is subject plus be, are, am, or is plus present participle or verb 1ing. For subject I, use the be, am, and for the subject you, we, they, use the be, are, and the subject he, she, it, use the be, is. For example, she is smiling. She is subject, is to be, and ing is verb participle. And for negative sentence, the formula is subject plus be, are, or am, or is, plus not, don't forget to use not, plus present participle verb 1ing. For example, she is not smiling. And for the interrogative sentence, the formula is be, are, am, or is plus subject plus present participle or verb 1ing. For example, is smiling, is be, she is subject, and smiling is the verb participle. Okay. Use of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense can be used to express something happening right now or to express something that is not happening right now. Example of this use include: first, you are watching the movie. For positive sentence, and for negative sentence is you are not watching the movie. And for the interrogative sentence is are you watching the movie? Okay. The third is present continuous tense can also be used to show that something will or will not happen in the near future. Example, he is meeting his friend after school. And negative sentence is he is not. Okay. Sorry. Okay. For example, he is meeting his friend after school. And for negative sentence is he is not meeting his friend after school. And for the interrogative sentence is he meeting his friend after school? Okay. Next, present continuous tense can be used for actions that are still happening at the time of speaking. For example, Maya is making fried chicken now. Now is a signal word from the present continuous tense. Next, present continuous tense can be used in question as well. Here are some more examples of this use. Is it logging? Are you going? This is specific for a question. This is subject, this is to be, this is subject, and this is verb 1 ing. Don't forget to use ing. And in addition to the above, the present continuous tense can be used to describe action that are being repeated. Words like always, constantly, and wherever are used along with the verb. For example, Jack and Jill are always fighting. Jack and Jill is two people, and to be is are. Okay. Present continuous tense can be used when speaking about current tense. For example, shopping online is growing in popularity nowadays. Shopping online is subject, is to be, and growing is the verb 1ing. And nowadays is signal word from the present continuous tense. And another use of this tense is when talking about a plan, even if in the future. For example, the kids are arriving at 6 o'clock. The kid is subject, more one subject, so use the to be are. The kids are arriving. Arriving is verb 1ing. At 6 o'clock is the adverbial. Next, don't use to present continuous tense in the sum verb. For example, there are certain verbs that cannot be used in the present continuous tense. The following verbs are non-continuous. For example, in communication, agree, promise, surprise, and for feeling, like, love, hate, and for sense, hear, see, smell, and taste, and for thinking, believe, know, understand. So this is more specific use of the present continuous tense. 1. Present continuous tense to talk about activities that are going on and the time of speaking. For example, Kanya is sitting beside me. Kanya is subject, is to be, and sitting is verb 1ing. This is do no. And the second is to talk about activities that happen regularly but only for a short or limited period of time. For example, we are preparing for the holiday. And the third is to talk about the future if we add a future word tomorrow or next year. For example, they are going to visit holiday next year. Next, this is a theme adverbial or signal word from the present continuous tense. Now, at the moment, at present, tonight, today, just, this time, this moment, this week, at the time being, look, listen, watch out nowadays, currently. Okay, thank you for your nice attention and sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.